video show you how to create a previous balance. Click on Clients, Clients and Matters. Click on the matter name. Click on the Invoices tab. And now you can see the client's previous balance. When creating a new invoice for a case, you can include balances from any previously unpaid invoices related to the matter. The advantage of the previous balance method is that you can be assured that all future bills to a client are all inclusive of any outstanding balance. To view the previous balance on an invoice, go ahead and click on Invoices, Settings, Flexible Templates. Click on the appropriate flexible template, and under the Global Settings tab, you want to ensure that this checkbox is enabled. Include total balance due on cover page and main invoice. You can also provide clients with a grid view of all of their aged accounts receivable. These grids can be included on the cover page, main invoice page, statement page, and remittance page. Let's take a look under the cover page. You can see here, if we enable to include the cover page, then we can enable this checkbox, Accounts Receivable Aging. Make sure this is enabled and click Update. As an example, you can see a grid view over here for any outstanding balances for the client on the invoice.